Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to can now how to can now printer IP address on Windows 11 or 10. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. First you need to click on start, now settings, now you need to click on device, now printer and scanner. Now you see this printer service properties, click on it. Now need to click on port and you see this option, this location port, your this IP ID, this printer ID. So you see this. So guys, this very easy and simple method. And if you does I will choose any printer and the printer properties. See this not location. If does not location, then you can try this port. Then you can click on port and this option and location port. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.